Hello, my name is Tara. I'll be talking to you today about the relationship between humans and dolphins. The purpose of this video is to teach my audience how much humans and dolphins have in common. Did you know that humans have more in common with dolphins than with most land mammals? Although dolphins live in water and humans live on land, we have more in common with them than you would think. I'm speaking with the knowledge that I've gained through taking aquatic science courses and my ongoing interest in dolphins and their way of life. Today I'll be going over three main points. First, the physical qualities humans and dolphins share. Second, the social interactions we have in common. And third, how dolphins and humans interact with one another. First, let's discuss how humans and dolphins are physically alike. How can we be physically alike if they live in water and we live on land? Well, dolphins are mammals just like humans. They conceive, carry, and deliver their babies the same way humans would, except their gestation period lasts about 12 months, and the babies are born tail first so that they don't drown. Dolphins aren't fish. They don't have gills. They have a blowhole that they breathe through, and they breathe air just like humans do. When a baby's born, the mother and other females from the pod will push the baby to the surface of the water so that it can take its first breath. Dolphins have hair. They are mammals. It appears on the snout area and falls out shortly after birth. It's the same concept as when a swimmer shaves all his body hair and puts on a swimmer's cap so that he can be faster and more agile. There's also a lot of similarities between our brains. Humans have a large brain relative to the body size, and dolphins come in second in brain size relative to their body size. They also look very similar. Now that we know how we're physically alike, let's look at our social similarities. How do dolphins communicate? Well, dolphins make a high-pitched whistling noise and use body language to communicate. They create signature whistles for different members of their pod, just like humans would whenever you're saying someone's name. They also have different dialects depending on where they live geographically and what species. Just like humans when they live in different countries and have different languages and different accents. Dolphins travel in pods made up of family and friends. These pods can range in size from just a few to over 1,000. Sometimes when they're hunting, they'll team up with other pods so that they can get their food. They're the only other animals to have sex not only for procreating but for pleasure. Male dolphins have also been seen having sexual intercourse with other males. Can you think of any other mammals who have relationships with the same sex? They are also believed to be the only other mammals with a sense of culture. Female dolphins have been seen teaching their young to use sponges to protect their faces when they're foraging for food, and males have also been seen using sticks and weeds to attract females. So now you know how we're physically and socially alike. Let's discuss how humans and dolphins interact. How do we interact with one another? Yes, everyone knows that there are plenty of places where you can go to see them, feed them, and even swim with them. But there have been some instances reported where dolphins have been seen protecting swimmers from sharks. Dolphins are also used in the military. They use their echolocation abilities to find mines, trapped people, enemy intruders, and many other things. They are also sometimes used in therapy. Did you know in India, the government declared them to be non-human persons, which gives them rights and liberties just like humans. This banned captivity in India. According to the U.S. National Marine Fisheries Service, just in the U.S. there were 2,300 dolphin captures between 1972 and 1944. That's about 104 dolphins a year and about 2 dolphins per week. Statistics show that of the dolphins that do survive capture, 53% of them will die in the first 3 months of captivity. That's basically half of them, and pretty much 1 in every 2 will die. Now that you know a little more about dolphins, remember, dolphins are mammals just like humans. We have many of the same social encounters they do, and we need to help them out just as much as they help us out. Humans are more alike to dolphins than we would like to think. Just because they live in water and we live on land doesn't mean we can't be similar. And it doesn't mean we can't treat them like the amazing creatures they are instead of caged animals. Thanks for watching. Now you're officially a dolphin expert.